There, we've talked so much about the science. Does anybody here have any doubts about the quality, the efficacy, or the authenticity of the products that we develop? Does anybody have any doubts about our manufacturing quality assurance processes? We spend millions of dollars on this. There's nobody in our industry that can compete with us from a product standpoint. Nobody. I want everybody to be crystal clear about that. We have the highest quality nutritional supplements in this industry, period. And we know that because we test, and we test, and we guarantee. There's no hoping, there's no guesswork that goes into it. We test, and we know. And it's the reason that tens of thousands of people are experiencing incredible health benefits around the world. But so what? So what do we do with it? What do we do with that? We talk so much about our products and the quality. This afternoon, we're going to talk about building a business. This afternoon, we're going to talk about how you take these products and go out to share them with people around the world, to build a dynamic business that will now touch the lives of people all over the world. Because if we take these products, great. Great. You should be taking them day in and day out. But it's time we start to share these products with people. It's time, like Eric and Kati Gamos, that we go out and we build a dynamic business that will bless literally tens of thousands of people's lives all over the world.